channel, glad to have you here. In today's video I'm going to discuss with you 3 profitable Amazon KDP keywords for today, and we're going to investigate together and reveal the profitability of these keywords. And in order to do so, we are using 4 free Chrome extensions, of which I dedicated a whole video discussing how to use the 4 free Chrome extensions correctly in order to analyze the profitability of Amazon KDP keywords. Now, before we get started, subscribe to the channel. We do daily videos such as these and discuss income reveals as well as tips and strategies to make passive income online. And let's get started with the first keyword in today's video. And the first keyword in today's video is ABC serial killer coloring a book, and we are using Self-Publishing Titan's Chrome extension as our main Chrome extension to rely on when it comes to this beautiful data that you can see at the top bar right over here. So we do have a keyword niche score of 38. Total results are under 1,000. Current total results are 101, and the bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is ideal. We have the average bestseller rank sitting at 261,394. We have the average reviews of 2,557 and the average price of $10.10. Now, what you need to do here, it's more of a horror slash mysterious, a little bit dark theme. If you're not comfortable with this theme, I understand, there's no need to do that, but my job here is just to give you profitable keywords and to help you diversify your portfolio. So you can make it fun, you can make it spicy, you can make it informative, whatever route you decide to take, and this will sell really hot coming Halloween as well. So you can make it more of a comical one, more of based on actual real data. For example, such as this one here, it is currently selling for $7.99. It has a bestseller score of 573,634, and it's labeled the dark serial killers with their stories. So it's very an informative, factual type book. You can have a funny twist, you can have a horror twist, you can have a fictional twist, whatever twist you'd like to make. This creator right over here has decided to make it informative and very factual as well, so based on real data. So there are a couple of ones. For example, this one's more of a bloody alphabet to do with a true crime adult gift full of famous murderers. Now, I did hear a while ago that you're not supposed to write gift in your title or subtitle. Correct me if I'm wrong, because it's considered one of these words to not add in your book. So I do need to verify that before I make it as an actual fact. Apart from that, there are other books. For example, this one is an activity book, yet it is still ranking because there are coloring sheets inside of that, and they have selected the actual main keyword ABC serial killer coloring a book as one of their 7 keyword slots. That is why it is featuring right over here. Now, my go-to when it comes to interiors is Creative Fabrica. Let's just have a look to see, are there any interiors to do with that, to do with this theme? So I'm gonna go ahead and write this, and if we don't find anything, there's no need to fear. We can go ahead and use their Spark tool in order to create a coloring sheets, and we can also use Midjourney as well. Just make sure you do have the paid version of Midjourney, otherwise you won't be able to use it as part of your as part of a commercial use as well. So here, searching the exact same keyword, we do have a list of keywords. So this is something that I also like in Creative Fabrica. You can access a list of keywords that have been pre-researched, but I did do a video a while ago analyzing a couple of products on Creative Fabrica where they feature KDP keywords that they presume are profitable, and yet the profitability did not match according to the 4 free Chrome extensions that I was using. So do be careful of that if you do want to go ahead and purchase any KDP keywords related to any of the niches. So unfortunately there isn't any, but let's just go ahead and write horror coloring book, and then see what comes up as well, and whether we can actually change the interiors or anything like that. Now, I do advise, if you do want to do this, if you want to keep it factual, if you want to keep it informative, that would be a great thing as well, to get to add that educational twist to it. You can also combine activity sheets, so it will be an activity, a book plus activity sheets inside, crosswords, puzzles, mazes, that kind of thing as well. And it will really sell quite well during Halloween. Now let's have a look at the second keyword for the day, and the second is groovy preppy coloring book, and adds keyword niche score of 38 and a clarification by Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension, which gives us a number 7, categorizing this keyword as a nice niche. Now, number 9 is the highest when it comes to the Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension scale when it comes to the keyword niche score, so I'm pretty happy with number 7. Also, the results are under 1000, currently sitting at a total results of 101. We also have the average bestseller rank around that 400,000 mark, which I'm happy with, sitting at an average of 476,476, average reviews of 446, average price is $8.48, and it's more of a trendy keyword, mostly for, it has that feminine twist, mostly for girls, mostly for preteens, teenagers, as you can tell by the covers. So it's a very relaxing and funky and trippy kind of trendy topic. So just think about all these, really bold fonts, the relaxing colors mixed between pink and orange, and very, very homey, very good vibe kind of theme as well. So it is selling quite well, and you could go ahead and see if there is any sort of illustrations or any sort of fonts that you can be able to use for this. Unfortunately, there isn't any at the moment, so maybe that's something, if you are a Creative Fabrica seller, maybe that's something that you can also add, once you've discovered that there is not much products under a specific niche that has good profitability analytics. Maybe that's a product that you can also add as well and earn passive income that way. Now let's have a look at the third and final keyword for today's video, and it is Bakery Business Planner 2023 to 2024, keyword niche score of 27, and also a confirmation by Amazon Scout Pro, which I'll stick to the Amazon Scout Pro Chrome extension keyword niche score, which I'm happy with. They gave it a keyword niche score of 7, categorizing this as a nice niche. So the Amazon Scout Pro keyword score matches perfectly with the data that we have right here. First of all, total results for this keyword under 1000, sitting at total results of 131. Average bestseller rank is under 300,000, which is averaging 182,880. Reviews average 1,354, and there's quite good data to it. Now that we are heading into the second half of 2023, you can just omit that. Don't enter 2023, just simply go Business Bakery Planner 2024, and there are many interiors available at Creative Fabrica when it comes to the bakery business planner, and there is specifically ones for 2024, which is really good to see, and it's a Canva template, so easily available for you to download through Canva and be able to edit as you see fit. It would be nice to have, for example, a couple of different pages to do with actual information on how to manage a bakery business, maybe some strategies, maybe some tips to add that kind of informative educational twist to it, make it more useful. Don't make it just a simple planner, but add in information and content to help your customer throughout the way as well. So we've got a total of 43 results. I'm going to go ahead and filter according to KDP interiors right here, and we are left with 31 results. Also, when it comes to the graphics, you can also access really good graphics on Creative Fabrica under the bakery niche also. So just go ahead and write bakery and see what kind of fonts, what kind of graphics you'll be able to access. And you can access a 30-day free trial, all access free trial to Creative Fabrica if you're not yet a subscriber. You can find the link in the description box below. So right here I'm just going to filter by according to illustrations. There's a couple of really good illustrations, such as this one right here. I'm a big fan of watercolor clip art. They're very realistic. This one's really nice as well. I tend to avoid the simple ones, although they do serve their own purpose, but I'm more of a watercolor kind of complex, a lot of detail in there as well to really bring things to life though. So that would be something nice to actually do. So let's just summarize quickly. We've got the first keyword, ABC serial killer coloring book, keyword niche score of 38, beautiful analytics right here. The second keyword was groovy preppy coloring book with a keyword niche score of 7 by Amazon Scout Pro. And finally, bakery business planner 2023 to 2024, keyword niche score of 7 with lovely analytics right over here. Just make sure you don't use the word 2023, just omit that and go straight to 2024. If you have enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.